So these are some reasons why you should switch from PlayStation to Xbox or buy an Xbox over a PlayStation 5. Now, these are a list of reasons that I've come up with that I feel like are still appealing towards going towards an Xbox over a PlayStation 5. So the first major reason is the sense of nostalgia. So the Xbox has really great backwards compatibility, so you can relive a lot of memories from your childhood, such as Xbox 360 games, original Xbox games, and we've got a wide library of previous generations of Xbox games compatible with the current generation. We don't have every single game there with the previous generations. With improvements, they will have a big list of backwards compatible games, and they're already available on the Xbox Game Pass. The Xbox Game Pass is the best subscription for gaming in today's age. Like, it's the cheapest and it offers the widest range. It's also compatible with PC. So for example, when you're on the go, you can have your Steam Deck playing Xbox Game Pass games, or you could have your PC set up playing Xbox Game Pass games as well. And you obviously have your Xbox console as well playing your Xbox Game Pass games. So we have a wide variety of console cloud gaming options as well as the subscription options as well. With that, there's the EA subscription as well. So the latest FIFAs, you don't have to go out and buy. You don't have to buy all the brand new EA racing games, even EA sports games like UFC 5. All those EA games are covered with this subscription service, so it's actually a really great deal. And I love the library. There's a lot to choose from, and you get a lot of the latest games, especially the latest exclusive games on your Xbox with the Game Pass subscription. It's definitely worth getting. It's cheaper than PlayStation Plus, and it'll offer just such a wide variety of games. It's almost like the Netflix of gaming. Like, there's such a wide variety of games, and there's many games coming next year that I'm super pumped for. And you know what? It is just such a great thing. And if you need to get a game like Hogwarts Legacy or a premium game like that, you can still go out there and purchase those games too. Another great thing about the Xbox is how the controller feels. The reason why is just how the sticks are, like where they're placed. So that's the main thing. And I've also got a big heart for the Elite Series 2. I do still think it's the best controller out there. The way it's built, the build quality of it all is just incredible, and you can customize it. It has many features. PlayStation have definitely had a good go at the Elite Series 2 with its own Elite Series 2 type of controller. The Elite Series 2 is truly elite. Like, you got the back paddles with the customization. We've got 3 different settings here for your shooters. And as I've said before, we've got customizable features. And the way it's built, this is all metal. And it's got really great build quality. And even a year after owning this, I've just genuinely enjoyed this controller. And I keep going back to it and thinking, this is the pinnacle of Xbox game designs right here. It's just so well built and really great quality, and there's a lot of customization abilities for this, and you can get the Xbox Elite Core as well as the base controller, so there's affordability options there with lots of different colors. With the Xbox main controller as well, there's lots of wide varieties of colors and really cool designs for it. There's even the custom labs for it as well, so you can definitely have a lot of fun and design your own controller as well. But yes, going back to the original thing, basically the layout of the joysticks, I found that me personally, I'm playing better on the Xbox because the way the joysticks are put, it just feels natural to like how you play, if that makes sense. So like the way they're put there, it just feels natural to be there as a gamer because we grew up with that sort of structure with the controller. So definitely the controller design is perfect. It's simplistic, but it just works and it's just perfect. I love it. And it has everything you need there, no over the top sort of thing. And it's just perfect, man, like how they've done it all. It's a really good design, and it feels nice in your hands, really lightweight. And I like how there's different materials there with the surfaces. It feels really nice in your hands, really simplistic design. It definitely is top tier. I love it. I love the Xbox Series S because it's such a fantastic budget-friendly option. This was the first console that I got in the new generation, and one thing I absolutely loved about the Xbox Series S was that you could play 1440p for like $500, get all the brand new games with the Game Pass subscription, and it's just such a great option to get. Like, I don't see why you shouldn't get an Xbox Series S. It's just perfect. It's a small machine, but so powerful. It's small, it's portable more than any of these other consoles. It looks great, and it plays 1440p as well. It's got great frame rates too, that go up to 120 frames per second as well with certain games. And you can get away with most of the games today with the Xbox Series S. It's such a fantastic budget-friendly gaming option that it's definitely something to miss. Like, even if you get the PlayStation 5 and you get the Xbox Series S, I think that's fantastic. And I definitely think anyone should get that. It's fantastic for all ages. Either you're a kid just wanting to play some FIFA, or if you just want to play some online games, I think the Xbox Series S is literally perfect for you. And if you need to play some more exclusives with your PlayStation, then yes, get the PlayStation 5. Don't miss out on those exclusives. And of course, we know with future games with the Xbox, we've just had the Xbox acquisition deal, so we're gonna get a lot of really great exclusives for your Xbox. So it's something to keep an eye out on. And we know that some great games are still coming for the Xbox next year. And this year we've had Starfield, and we've still got Forza Horizon 5, which still is like one of my favorite games. I keep going back to it and going, this is my favorite like sort of driving arcade racing game. It's so much fun to play. There's other games I've really enjoyed for the Xbox, such as the Ori series, and I can keep going back and just downloading games on the Game Pass, such as, you know, Assassin's Creed Odyssey or Origins, FIFA with the EA Play subscription. I've got everything there that I kind of need. The only thing it's obviously missing is those PlayStation 5 exclusives, but apart from that, everything else is covered with the Xbox. Another great feature that the Xbox has is obviously the quick resume feature, so it's just easy to go from game to game and start off where you last were in the game. And I think that's such a great feature that just the PlayStation 5 just doesn't have, and it's so easy to go where you last were in the game to the other one, and it loads super fast. Loading times for the Xbox is really good, and also it's a really quiet and very powerful console. You can also connect your mouse and keyboard to it, and kind of it would be like a gaming PC in a way as well. Not to say that we can't do that for the PlayStation, but it kind of reminds me of like a gaming PC in a sense. Really brings out the Microsoft element of PC gameplay, because obviously we've got the cloud gaming thing going where it's so compatible with PC gaming and Xbox as well. So it's great if you have that ecosystem where you do have PC. Definitely Xbox is great for that ecosystem as well. So there's so many reasons why, you know, Xbox is still such a great go-to, more than PlayStation for certain users. Not to say that PlayStation isn't great at all. The exclusives are fantastic. There's so much fun, immersive gameplay with your PlayStation 5. But let's not discount Xbox at all. I still think it's such a great option, especially with the Xbox Series S. Wow, it's such a great budget-friendly option. It is awesome, and the Xbox Series X is still super powerful, so still a great go-to this day.